satellite scan.
TheIrishHux. What's up YouTube, coming in with another channel update. So in this video I finally got in my new alt, so without further ado let's jump right into it. Alright, so this is a custom powder coat in the color of Dragon's Blood. I'm really excited with the way it turned out. As you see, it's a black base coat pretty much with some red flake. I'm really tickled with how it turned out though. Now again, this is going on my 2006 Ford Explorer 4.0. This will be replacing my McMahon 240 that's on there now. I eventually will probably have that other one rebuilt so I can resell it. And I also have another 240 McMahon, but it's for the older model. I think it's like the 97, 99 Explorer 240 McMahon. I'm willing to let it go super cheap, so if anyone is interested, let me know. But let's get this thing installed and see what we can make. Alright guys, so we were super excited to get the alt installed, and of course ran into a problem. So if we look at this plug here, that's a GM, internally regulated plug. We called them, they were nice about it, it was an honest mistake. Not faulting anybody, but fuck man. It would really be nice to order some shit from somebody, it ship when it's supposed to, and it'd be the right thing. The last 2-3 orders I placed from anything car audio related recently, I seem to get fucked up some way, so we'll go ahead and let this bank charge up, and I guess we'll wait a couple more days. So the wait continues. Alright Basshead, so we're back. We're gonna have to make a trip to a local audio store. We got in the truck this morning, went to play the radio, and the shit just kept cutting off. So we pulled this head unit out, thought maybe a remote came undone, something, followed it all the way back, all to find out these motherfuckers right here just were coming out. So I mean, I've tried to get them back in there, but they won't sit. I guess the crimps internally or broke off or something. And then it blew a fuse, so I had a fuse, I changed it out, but I think I blew the fuse under there too. I checked on it earlier, it wasn't, but after messing with it, I think I ended up blowing it. So we're going to make a little trip up to the local audio store, and I called them ahead of time. They think they have the right plug for this, so we're going to ride up there and find out. Stay tuned. Alright Bassheads, welcome back. So we're on the way to the local audio shop. I did check and I did blow my radio fuse in the truck as well, so I don't have any additional fuses. I've used all those, so we're about to make a stop at the auto parts store and get a variety pack of some auto fuses. Good thing is the auto parts store is literally at the end of my road, so we're about to pull up here now, about to run in the store, grab a variety pack of different amp fuses for the truck, and then hopefully when we get to the audio store locally, hoping and praying they have the right plug, so at least when the correct regulator and plug come from my alternator, and I swap those out on Monday, which is when that's being delivered, I hope to be able to get everything going then. So I want to at least be able to play my truck in the meantime. So we're going to pull up here, good old O'Reilly, and grab some fuses. Be right back. Alright, so we got us an assorted pack of fuses. I'm going to wait to put the fuse in the truck until I've already switched over the plug in the back of the radio, because my luck, I'll switch the fuse, it'll spark something when I plug it in, and it should blow again. So we're going to creep out of here and make our way onto the audio store. I'm probably going to put it on some fast forward motion, some time lapse, so y'all enjoy the ride. Alright guys, so we made it here to our local shop, Ultimate Sounds. We'll take this head unit in here and see if they got a plug for it. See what happens. Alright, we're back. So they had one in stock, luckily. We were going to go ahead and do it right here, but I don't have my crimpers and my wire cutters in the truck, so we're going to get back home. What's up, YouTube? Coming in with a little testing today. So we got the head unit wired back up. We got it ready to play. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm going to see if I can float a bag of Cheez-Its. I'm probably going to say no, but we'll see. We're going to give it some 22 hertz.
Subscribe,
motherfuckers.
TheIrishHux.